So let's do another cooking with Emmy video since it's cold and snowy outside. Coming up next. Alright, so I'm doing another cooking with Emmy. This one's a real simple one. It's not going to be a very long video. So we're doing a oven face roast beef Manhattan. One of my favorite things, and I'll show you how we're going to do that. And this is the weather outside I was talking about. Snow, freezing rain, yeah. So, taking a little break from the cars today. So, I've already got it started here in the crock pot. What I've got in here, I've got a big piece of bottom round, I believe it was, and a packet of brown gravy mix, stick of margarine, and some seasoning on it. And what we're going to do, we're going to let this cook in this crock pot for 4 hours. Then we'll, this is going to be a simple project, so, or a simple cook project. Then we got some Texas toast over here. That's just like Texas toast style bread. And we're going to put that down. We put mashed potatoes on it. I'll make some corn or some kind of other side with it. But that's going to be the whole thing. The whole gist of it. I'll show you what we got when we get done, though. So, yeah, we're making coleslaw. Basically just about the premix and the dressing. You just pour it in. That's pretty much it. You can take cabbage and stuff and chop it up. But wow, when it's already, you can buy it for 50 cents more. Yeah, it's a big old bowl, but what we don't use, we'll use for hot dogs later.
Muddy Buddies.
Nutty Buddies?
Muddy.
Muddy Buddies? So it's what, rice squares, chocolate, butter, powdered sugar?
Butter and vanilla, but I don't have the vanilla yet.
Okay, and powdered sugar. Okay, let me go find the vanilla. Now, I'm not a dessert food eater, but Kelly is, so she knows more about this stuff than I do. Alright. Chocolate chip. How much? Just, I guess she's playing it by ear. Right. So, 3/4 cup of peanut butter, I guess. Pretty much, yep. Something I get to wash. Alright. I guess we're done with the peanut butter. Take a whole stick.
Just half a cup.
Okay.
And then microwave.
Alright, so now this goes in the microwave for however long?
80 seconds.
80 seconds, okay. Minute and a half. And this is, what is that, Chex Mix with the knockoff brand?
Mm-hmm.
right. Whole box of them. And it's, she got a recipe over here. Teaspoon of vanilla. And 1 2-pound bag of powdered sugar. I guess you stir up this dookie looking stuff here. It does taste good. Not my thing. I'm not a dessert eater. So. Of course, it has peanut butter in it, so I might actually take a taste of it. Still stirring. It took her a minute.
Taking that over the cereal.
Need to stump us over cereal.
Mommy, I want to watch.
Come on over here.
That's a big bowl. That's a big bowl of it, Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
Why did you give me this cup?
I don't have a lid to it.
I
Honey, quit getting cups over there.
I still didn't get out of there.
Oh, okay.
Let me keep stuff. I want to mix it up.
It's very hard to mix.
I don't think you can do it. Just watch Mommy.
So. I want to eat that.
Well, you can when she's done. I think it's time to eat supper.
It smells so good, Mommy.
It smells good.
Yeah, I want to eat it. It's only for after dinner.
Mm-hmm. It's not done yet.
Fine. I can play over here.
Okay.
I still haven't oh no! Still a little here. And a little poke and hit it. Squish it down and make some color. And some cream there. Oh yeah,
I don't need a bigger spatula.
Just look on fire. I think we're ready to pour sugar in, ain't we?
Think so?
It looks like it. Looks like it's real good covered. It'll get more once you stir it with the sugar, I'm sure. I'm not the expert at this, though. So. It's a little too chocolatey for me, I believe. What you think?
Kind of like a Reese cup.
Maybe I'll try it. It's not done yet. She's still working on it. You can see it. Is it good? Well, pick that piece up and eat it. Here. Okay, put it back in there. That's right. You like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Did she say yeah?
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay. You want me to open that for you?
Yeah.
All right, just a minute. All right. So now, big old bag of powdered sugar.
I was gonna pour it in there.
This is hard to do, baby. She'll have to. You can help her.
Yay.
Just a little.
Takes the whole bag, don't it?
I'm gonna put the whole bag on it.
Oh, okay.
I want to check out see it's soft. Yep, it's soft. Don't worry, Mommy. It's my turn to mix it
All right,
up.
and then you just stir that up.
It's my turn,
You
Mommy.
got to let Mommy do it, okay?
I was my turn.
Well, you going to let Mommy do it. This is heavy. You'll make a mess, babe.
Mommy, Daddy didn't let me have a turn. Please.
There she goes.
Daddy,
Hmm? About done.
I want to buy some more pictures in the sun bowl. I want to buy some more pictures in the morning, okay, Daddy?
Some more peaches?
In the morning.
Pizzas or peaches?
Pizzas.
Pizzas? I'll have to get you some.
We have some.
We have some left, yeah.
Yeah, I want some.
Well, we're getting ready to eat supper, baby. I'm making roast
After
beef.
supper, Daddy.
Maybe, yeah.
Oh, it's not. Okay.
See what it tastes like.
It's good.
Actually, not bad. It tastes like a Reese's cup with powdered sugar on it. I actually like it. That's odd. I usually don't like stuff with chocolate in it.
With the chocolate and peanut butter, and that's what you
I like the peanut butter, yeah. The peanut butter overpowers the chocolate enough to where I don't taste the chocolate.
That's it.
That's it. Then it's what called again? Muddy Buddies.
Muddy Buddies.
And the roast beef's been fixing for about 4 hours. Looks like it's pretty tender and pretty done. So, get that out now. We're just going to do instant potatoes because we don't have anything but them gold ones left. And the stores are picked over right now because of the snowstorm. So we're just going to make instant ones. But got that brown gravy mix. Knock this out. I grabbed the wrong pack. Just buttery home style, not the cheese ones.
In there.
Yeah, go ahead and pour the water in there. It's 2 cups of water. These call a cup a piece, and we're making 2 packs.
Still.
Yep. That's good. And
What's the gravy?
tear these packs open.
Okay.
Just so.
I'm gonna pour them in there.
And there's a pack. Honey, you gotta put it all in there.
Oh, I want to have a little bit. There's the gravy. I got a little accent right there.
Well, watch what you're doing.
There. Check it out. Squeeze it.
Make sure you get everything out of it.
Squeeze it. It's what. There we go. I got everything out.
Alright, let's do another pack.
I like the brown stuff.
That's just gravy mix.
I like the gravy. I like to make the gravy, Daddy. I like to make the gravy. This will work, see?
Okay. That's good. That's good.
There we go, Daddy.
Alright.
Now we're gonna mix it up.
There's a little bit left in there. Let me get it all out, okay?
Oh,
And here's Kelly's finished product in these little bags.
Mommy,
They also call this stuff puppy chow, and that's the only thing I've ever heard it called. So.
I like them, Mommy. I like.
Alright. The gravy's in here. Amy stirred it up pretty good.
A little bit more with still in that. A little bit.
You just gotta very much bring it to a little bit of a boil and then cut it off. Go ahead and cut that heat up on it just a little hotter.
Oh, I want to mix it up a little bit more.
Okay, you can stir it some.
Cause I want to make it a little bit local tasty.
Mm-hmm.
There we go, a little bit more. There.
Okay, just let it boil up a little bit.
So I'll give him that Pepsi.
Okay, get your pop out of the way. You can take that cup if you want to. It's probably dirty.
Wait, I don't know.
Okay. Alright, well, that's doing that. Let me go ahead and get a cooker out for these instant mashed potatoes. Alright, so that's 4 cups of water, and we got to boil it. We pour these instant potatoes in it. That's it. The gravy's boiled up, and it's done. I've got the heat off of it. It's just cooking now. You got to dig out the Texas toast and the coleslaw, And we're ready to do this. We got to shred this beef. So let me get it out, put it on a plate or something where I can shred it a little bit. Alright, so potatoes is done. We got some Texas toast here. And all we're going to do is gotta let this cool off just a minute. It's going to burn my hands. So, anyway, let me get this out of my way. Maybe I can do it right here. Okay, now you just take mashed potatoes, spread on your bread. Try not to get them next to these hot burners. There ain't got no room over here. Have another spoon in just a minute. Okay, so there's some mashed potatoes. And then we'll take this fork. Get some beef out. That's how tender it is. It's been going about 5 hours. It should be real tender. Just shred it up, put it on top here. I don't know fingers. Trying to do this one-handed here. Alright.
Are you going to shred your meat up?
I will, yes. I got mine shredded up. Okay. There we go. About like a restaurant. Alright, there we go. Coleslaw, real creamy. And roast beef Manhattan. It's pretty good. Other than fixing the beef, it's very, very simple if you do everything like we did. So, and you could use Mr. Instant Pot up there to make your beef in about 30 minutes if you really wanted to. So, but it's a cold, snowy day, so we ran it all day. It's really good. It's really good. It tastes just like what you get in a diner. So, pretty pleased with it. Okay, so roast beef Manhattan, roast beef split, whatever you like to call it. I've always heard it called Manhattan, but yeah, that came out pretty good. Pretty easy to do. Except we did mostly instant stuff because we couldn't actually get potatoes that we wanted because everything was bought out because of this big crazy snowstorm that came. And I didn't want to do a car video this week because I was afraid I'd get out there and lose power and have a car pulled apart. Because I was going to do my wife's bumper, but I didn't want to have her car pulled apart where she couldn't drive it. And I couldn't get the Mazda in the garage because it's solid ice in the yard where it's sitting right now to work on it or anything else. So we've got freezing rain out here really, really bad. So I did a cooking video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Until then, just keep liking, keep sharing, keep subscribing, keep rigging things up.